Hey there, it's Vicki Howell here to show you how to crochet puff stitches like you see in this cutie pie little stitch pattern that we call the right puff. So I'm just going to show you how to do not this whole stitch pattern, but this little number, this little cute puff stitch in particular, and then also how to work two together, so a puff stitch two together, which then creates kind of a leaning situation or an upside down V. All right, so since I'm working in general terms, there doesn't need to be any pattern. You are going to follow whatever pattern is requires a puff stitches. So that means that you're going to work into whatever space or stitch required from that pattern. Puff stitches, or these particular puff stitches rather, are the height of a double crochet. So for myself, I just started this row with a chain 3 just so I could get to that height. All right, so we're going to begin by working a yarn over, inserting our hook in that stitch or chain, whatever it's called for in your pattern, yarn over, pull through a loop. You want to pull up the loop to make sure it's about the same height as your either double crochet or chain 3, wherever you're at. Then you want to repeat that process twice more. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through. One more time, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through. And you should have 7 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yarn over one last time and you pull through all 7 loops. And that is your puff stitch. All right, so now let's talk about working 2 puff stitches together. So it's essentially the exact same process until the very end. So we're going to work our puff stitch, yarn over, insert in the stitch, yarn over, pull through, repeat that twice more, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, again taking care to get to the right height, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through. Okay, then you just kind of skip this last step. So instead of going all the way through all 7, you're going to move to wherever the next space is that you're supposed to be working the second one. And you're going to repeat the process, yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through. One last time, makes for 3, pull through. Okay, now you're going to have all kinds of loops. So you just have to wiggle waggle through all but the last 2 stitches. So you'll have what looks like this. And then you yarn over and you pull through the last 2. And you can see right here how that joins. You've created full puff stitch, but they lean together because they're joined at the top. So that's really it. They're really easy to make. It's a really nice dense stitch, and it's got sort of like a pillow-like effect in your fabric. Have fun. If you have any questions, just post them in the comment section. Bye.